Welcome to the Tyre Service Centre. We have some exciting news. We have just moved into our brand new premises here at Rue de Pré Trading Estate. Thanks to our continued expansion and success, we outgrew where we were quite quickly, and this has been purpose-built for us. So we'd love to see you. Please come on down, come and have a look and see if we can help you for all the best deals on tyres and servicing.
So now we are the first garage in Jersey to operate on solar panels. So we are essentially self-efficient. We've got 144 solar panels on the roof. Historically, the industry is a very dirty industry, and I feel like we're starting running on solar. It feels like we're in a cleaner industry.